Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning some sewing techniques. I'm going to try and attempt to make my first ever top from scratch. So if you guys want to learn and follow along with this tutorial, then keep on watching. So I've never sewn anything in my life, but my mom used to sew curtains and like make little like figure skating outfits for us and stuff when we were younger. So she's gonna kind of show me how to use her machine and then I'll start. But we don't have any material right now because stores aren't open right now because of the quarantine and the self-isolation and stuff. So I'm gonna make do with what I have. So I do have some old curtain material that my mom has left over. So it looks like this. So I'm gonna make like a cute little top out of this. And then there's some blue also. So I'm gonna just play around with this and see what I can come up with. I did look up some tops online that I like, and I'm gonna try to follow along to like match that. But the first things first is you got to come up with a pattern. So I'm gonna measure myself and start drawing it out, and then I will come back and show you how that's coming along. So stay tuned. So I was kind of drawing out some designs that I do like and I measured myself using a tape measure. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but I just started to draw like measurements on here, and then I'm tracing it, and then eventually we'll get the material and we'll cut it out onto this. Okay, so this is my pattern. You only have to do a half of the shirt because we're gonna fold it on the folded material, or we're gonna cut it out of the folded material, and then it'll be like two pieces when we open it. So you also want to leave some allowance for you to be able to hem it in so that it doesn't fray on the outsides. So then you just cut out your pattern. Feels weird using kitchen scissors when I'm used to using hairstyling scissors. So we'll be hemming this over so that we'll follow only that line on the inside. It's gonna be a crooked shirt. Okay, so I got all my pins laid out. You want to make sure it's nice and flat so that none of the material is scrunched up. And then when you're cutting, you want to cut just around the edges, and then keep this, don't touch that side, because then when you open it up it'll be the shirt. But so you keep it nice and flat and you just cut along the edges. Now I'm going to continue just cutting around the rest of the material, and we'll come back and show you the next steps. Okay, so we got it all cut out now. So this is what the pattern looked like, and then this is what the top will look like now. And now we're going to go make the backs, and then we'll be right back. Okay, now I got all my pieces cut out, and now I'm going to zigzag them so that they don't fray on the outsides. This is nerve-wracking. When you're transitioning, make sure you keep the needle down, and then you can lift it and just turn the material. And then continue sewing along here. And then after this is all done, you fold this over and then you hem that together so it hides the stitches. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna do a straight stitch, and we pin them, and now we're gonna like pin the two sides together of the shirt, okay? So we're gonna go along, and then you gotta back stitch it a bit. So, and then we'll go forward, and then you take the pin out as you go. Take the pin out. Take the pin out. Take the pin out. Take the pin out. I feel like I'm going a little crooked. Right before you get to the end. And then you want to back stitch. And then you and then you cut it. Okay guys, so I'm just giving you an update. I sewed the two pieces together. I don't know if you can see that. So I sewed the sides together. It's looking like that so far. That's the front. It's hard to picture what it's going to look like when it's done, but I'm making good progress and I'm almost done. Okay, you guys, we are back and we finally made our shirt. So exciting. This is my first time ever sewing and I'm feeling good about it. I added a little bit of strapping here, and then the back I did a little cinch at the top there, and then I kept it open here, and then add a little bow at the bottom. There's even a little button if you can see at the top there. But yeah, I'm feeling good about it. This is the front. I'm gonna throw in some pictures of it after, but you guys, this is a lot of work. Sewing is definitely not for everyone. I thought I would like it a lot more. I did enjoy it. I even made a little scrunchie out of it because I like my hair accessories. But it is a lot of work and a lot of time, a lot of pins and measuring, and yeah, I think in the future, I don't know if I'll be sewing, but I will definitely be like hemming or little alterations on stuff, but making your whole outfit is a lot of work. But it was fun. I learned something new and kept busy and passed the time, so I had fun. But if you guys have any more video suggestions, or you like what you see and you kind of want to learn more about a sewing machine, maybe comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.